miniature ukulele rack today. Right, I've had a few requests to talk about this. It started life as a normal guitar rack and my brilliant husband miniaturized it for me. Now obviously I can't remake it. If I ever do it again, I will of course make a video. So what I thought I would do is show you what we did to make it from a normal big size to a little size, especially for ukuleles. So as you could see at the start of the video, even though it's a 7 guitar rack, you can actually fit 8 ukuleles on there. And I had a combination of concert ukes, there's a tenor uke on there, there was a mandolin, a banjolele, and my husband's lovely little solid electric ukulele. So just to give you a little idea of how it was miniaturized, these are the bits that we took off. That's the only thing we removed. Alright, so imagine that would be sitting, that would have been the original height. Okay, so really basically, we cut these 2 struts shorter. I'll explain a bit more about that in a second. So we reduced the height of it, and then also the other thing, because obviously ukuleles, the bodies are smaller as well, is we moved this second stand at the bottom closer in. Okay, so that was really the only 2 jobs we did. We removed some height off these back bars, and we moved this second layer for the stand further in so that it gave a narrower space for the ukes to sit on. Right, so if we take a look at the top, first of all, as I said, we measured roughly, that's how much we cut off. Okay, so we cut this here, then drilled a new hole. All right, there's a back plate on here with a couple of screws into it. So the new hole was drilled in just to hold all this nice and solid. And then on the very top of this strut here, there is, can you see there's a little plate? Okay, now that's actually welded onto the top, so we couldn't remove that. So we inserted a small cube of wood into the top, and that just meant when this screw went in to hold this top bar on, it held it nice and securely. All right, so when you're removing this bit, there's a cap in the top which you somehow need to replicate. We did it by putting a small block of wood in there. And of course we did exactly the same on this side. Chopped it and then a small block of wood in to hold the screws in over here. The top section was actually the hardest bit. This bottom bar going across here was quite a bit easier. It was literally drilling a new hole through the side foot, all right, on both sides obviously, and then the screw that holds this bar in just went straight through. There's a nut underneath, all right, so nothing else had to be added. It was literally on the bottom bit, a new hole, much closer together so that the bodies of the ukulele sit in there. Obviously you imagine if the bar is back here, the body of the ukulele will fall through the gap. Okay, so that's the bottom rung. There we go, ukuleles back in their home. This wasn't a particularly expensive guitar rack. It cost, I think it was round about the £20 mark on Amazon. We've bought far more expensive 7 rack guitar racks in school, from sort of £50–60 upwards. So as I said, about £20, which was one of the reasons why we were willing to take a bit of a risk. It does the job brilliantly. Just to give you a little idea, there's a little miniature rack, and there is a bigger rack behind. So there we are, there's my miniature ukulele rack. If I ever do make another one, I will make a video to go with it, but hopefully this has shown you at least how we miniaturize this one. I do hope you found this video helpful. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos.